guys, welcome once again to my channel, and today's tutorial is going to be on simple stick-on nails, how to fix simple stick-on nails. So you need nails, fake nails of course, scissors, file, nail glue, and some clippers, nail clippers. So first off, I started with trimming off the cuticles on my nails because my cuticles were grown. Yes, and then after that I started buffing my nails to not make it too smooth. Then I started applying the nails on my fingernail. On my left hand I already applied the nails, but then I'm showing another method where you can apply the nails too if you want to, but I chose the next method I'm going to show you very soon. Yep. So guys, this is the second method you can use to apply the nails, which I prefer because the other method is like the glue dries faster on my nails, and then I didn't even get to the third nail and then the other one came off, so I had to re-glue it back. So I prefer this method, but if the other one is good or more comfortable for you, that is fine, but just make sure that you don't take too many drops of glue because it can mess up your nails. So basically this is like simple. I want to stop talking too much and then leave you guys to watch what I'm doing because it's quite understandable. I don't think I need to talk too much through. So yes, that is it. Before I forget, you see this part, I'm filing the edge of the nail so that you see normally it's a bit sharp when you take it, so this time before you put it on your nail you just have to like file it a bit to like fit into your nail, then you put it there so it doesn't become too sharp or hurt your flesh, your nail bed. Let me just put it like that. Yeah, so the video is basically almost over. I decided to make this a short video, so please enjoy, watch to the end, and I'm not going to talk again. And please like, share, subscribe, please, I'm begging you guys. Thank you.